Can we take off graphite powder? Well, you guys, the likelihood of getting this much graphite on your hands is not likely. However, we did change some windshield wipers outside, and I did get some graphite on my hands from the blades. You can check that out right now. So Scrub Blade hooked it up with these blades. I really like them. I've had them on my truck for a few years, but time for a replacement. They got these little scrubbing textures, so it wipes off bug, debris, ice, things like that. But with any wipers, you're gonna get a little graphite on the blade part. So if you're installing these things and you're not very careful, you can get graphite on your hands. So that's a problem. Just in time for Cali raining season. If you happen to get graphite on your hand, whether you're trying to win your Pinewood Derby contest, you know, putting a little bit of this at your Boy Scouts, or I don't know what else you use this stuff for, can our soap take it off? Well, here we go. I'm gonna go with the all-natural formula. This stuff is highly absorbent. And watch, the soap starts out brown, and this is because of the clays that we use in it. Cosmetic grade clays that absorb all the grease and grime. So watch this. You can see it right now. The soap's now turning brown and black, and my palm is getting clean because it's absorbing all that graphite on my hand. Awesome stuff. Dude, the old pant wipe, shirt wipe, here we go. Can we take off graphite powder? Come on, that was pretty easy, you guys. Yes, we can, and you can too, if you use the holy powers of GripClean, baby. Get with it.